Hey guys, it's Sammy and I'm back with more FEUDALISM 2. Let's resume our game. Oh, and sorry, the thing randomly stopped, so you didn't get to see the rest of my fight. I was a pussy, technically, and well, I was a pussy, but you see these soldier guys? These are black soldier guys. They always crit. Each one of these guys costs me 100k. So I'm not gonna be a happy person if one of them die. So yeah, I captured the place. I own the Far East Empire. Now I was too much of a I pussy out on actually fighting the main guy, cause since he hit me once, he got me down to like 300 health. So it took my troops, like I only lost maybe 20 troops, like 30 troops in the entire battle, but it was worth it. But I actually got it. Now they have the radio show and then they have the show on ghosts. You can see how fucking incredibly expensive they are. But look at this. A very powerful attack which always deals critical damage depending on the target's defense. The more defense has the target, the more damage it will receive. See? Yeah, it's really nice. Ooh, I can buy more. I'm gonna fill up like the first thing of them. I'm fucking retarded probably. Oh, fuck me. I have the song stuck in my head. It's like, come on, feel the noise. I don't even know what the song's called, so. Yeah. Come on, feel the noise. Girls hunt the boys. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, feel the noise. Bitches hunt that boy. That's a shit ton of fucking horsemen. I feel like seeing some ponies. Oh shit, it sucks I can't get my own pony. Well, just fucking pause the video. I'm like, wow, just pause the video, man. Come on, feel the noise. Oh, yo, oh, bitches. No! Sorry, I'm eating fruit out of a jam. Let's go to Rabbit. What the enemy himself comes at our gates will punish you for all our captivity. Ah, bitches, you funny. You're funny. You're so funny. You wanna, man, you're good at jokes. You're fucking good at jokes. Aw, man, bitch. You just let me pass through here, and some of you fuckers probably won't fucking die. You fuckers. Ichigo. Well, I actually really don't want to take on that place. Now, I kind of think that I'm starting to think that my little buff thing, I think that it heals every single one of my troops for 250 points of health. And see, look, whenever the damage, see how one guy's healing. I was happening to every single one of my guys who were getting attacked were healing that much. I mean, every freaking second. Ha! Ooh, Assassin's mask. I just want to look at it. He puts it on. No, probably not. So it's likely. Oh, there it is. Wow, that really sucks. Dude, that's freaking boss, no sign. You're my fucking bad. Wow, I'm fucking stupid. Here we go. There we go. Put that bird back on. Smearing some skill points. So for now, I'm going on all of these so I can increase my hit chance. Chill, yeah. I'm like, chill. Hell yeah. That is the last thing we got. Oh, burp. A burp. I burped. Because I'm a boss. Richard, I'm level 40. I'm level 40. Do, 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 do. You're a girl. Hi, you're gonna die. That's so mean. Come at me, girl. Wow, this person's almost dead. Wow, you're actually hurting me. Ouch. Ow, this hurts so bad. How much pain are you feeling? I bet you're like, oh, I was supposed to say one more hit. Let's go to Aiden. Damn, we travel fast. God damn, dude, they never learn, do they? All those sad soldiers. I am the microwave god. Stand down. I'm the microwave king. Wah! Okay, I'll stop that. Shit, this is gonna be the next place I capture. I guarantee it. Wow, a slave. Yeah, let's buy one slave. One slave's good. Fuck, that's terrible. We fucking buy slaves. Oh my god. What?
We're not? Oh, okay. You just said that to break my heart to a million pieces?
So, wow, we're just about to freaking take over the South Desert too. Okay, now this is gonna be a lot more difficult. Wait, no, it's not. Maybe. Oh, I can't hear anything. No, horses! Oh, you don't hurt my ponies. Oh, you want to hit my pony? Yeah, you want to hit my pony, bro? You really want to hit my pony like that, you bastard? Well, die. Damn, I really need to increase my fire use weapon thing. Holy tits, I can't even hit this guy. Ha, there's my slave. Shit, now my fucking... please don't, God, don't tell them that they can kill these guys. I'm really scared that one of those guys come out. Oh shit, all my freaking guys are the black shoguns. Oh, except for that stupid guy right there.
I'm confused.
Why the tits can I hit this guy? Go, black showman! Because each attack it's always crits. Ha! Look, this guy's just one-shotting some motherfuckers. Luckily, I could. What? Heal! What? Oh my god. You see that frickin' crit on that guy? Holy shit! These guys are doing like 18k. Why am I just swinging? Oh no! Kill that bitch. He killed your cousin. Now we kill him.
What happened to all my spells that were in the damn
Go. Go, my black soldiers. My black showman. Shit. Oh, Gerd, you don't want to mess with us. No! No! Those guys cost me a lot of money. Leave them alone. No! Revenge! There's only 2 more. Wait, should we go after that guy? Kill that guy. Don't worry, brah, I'll help you. Don't worry, brah. No! Kill those son of bitches. It kills your entire family.
No! God damn it, are you fucking serious?
Hurts. I think that's the boss guy. Shit, that's the boss guy. Black Shogun guy. Where are you? Okay. I just saw a crit. Oh, ho, ho, bitches. Ha, 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 ha. Holy tits. Oh.
Leave alone, honey. For a minute. I just told you to stop it.
That was boss. Virgin. Banshee cry. Well, we need to buy these new weapons, I think. Damn it. It hurts. Now I gotta get rid of all of this shit. Oh, shit. Oh, wait. I'm not gonna get rid of my Far East weapons. That bitch is not happening. But the armor can go. Wait, no, so. Yeah, just a fucking 100 sword. It's not a ninja sword. Look at all the fucking stars on this crap. What the fuck is tits wrong with my damn legs? Oh wow. I look like a fucking noob. Safari's weapon duel. Greatest chance to hit with a second hand weapon. So what's the fucking tits? Oh. So fuck the Far East weapons. That one's only up to 48, so typically I just keep going in swords. So yeah, I'm just gonna about end this episode here. Fuck my Far East weapons. Those can just die in hell. I'm so mean. I'm gonna try to buy the one-handed ones. Because I hate weapons sometimes. Wait, no. Yeah, I keep having fucking gearbox stuck in my head. Goodbye, fucking ninja swords. Goodbye, fucking ninja swords. Goodbye, fucking ninja swords. Goodbye, fucking ninja swords. So that's gonna be really good. So I'm thinking about. Well, let me check something. Do I have one that's for men? See, that one does. Oh shit, I can't do that. Actually, I'm not gonna take my chances. That's the way. So that's good. I'm gonna enchant it now. Shit, what the fuck the hell does refine do? See any fucking difference? Oh, +5. Now I see. What does that increase it? +5? I don't know. Okay, I don't give a shit, but I just